y'all, welcome back to our channel, Walker Family TV. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emeka, and returning subscribers, I hope y'all enjoy this video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the new addition to our farm, and I'm also going to be deep cleaning my refrigerator because it really needs it. I need to get rid of a whole bunch of junk that we don't use anymore. So here we go. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Here we go. Okay, y'all, this is the new addition to the farm, the billy goat. I think they called him Grayson. Okay, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the goat that was outside, our buck. So we're going to get started on this refrigerator that really needs a deep clean to it. And this is what it looks like. I have a lot of stuff in here. A lot.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun, and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I just, you and I, every crazy summer night. Baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. It's spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but
I am finished for today. I hope each and every one of you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Until the next time, bye.